This is the third video of a trilogy of videos on how to enter and exit the poses with safety. So in this video we will address the Baddha Koṇasana with the feet on the belt. How to enter, exit, and how to bring someone in and out. If you want to go deeper into poses, then you can continue into the adjustment section that using these basic poses and maybe a few more, then you will go deeper with different adjustments and how to work with a partner into different poses, getting the maximum range of motion. Hope you enjoy. Baddha Koṇasana with the feet on the belt. We are going to stand behind the belt. Then place one foot on the belt and lock the knee. This is important in order to feel comfortable. The bottom part of the femur is sitting very comfortably in the meniscus cartilage on top of the shin. We keep that as we bring the knee back and turn to the side. Keep the foot active, eversion. Hold the belt higher and bring the other foot into the belt, locking the knee as glamorous as possible. Now, bring one shoulder forward, hold the belt, bring the other shoulder forward and hold the belt, just for safety. Then find your balance here, maybe sliding a little bit the buttocks down, a little bit of posterior tilt of the pelvis so you can place the hands forward. Worst case scenario, you fall forward, but that is the next stage. Leaning forward, place the hands on the floor, stop swinging. There are plenty of variations here that we see in the classes and in the adjustment section. For now, I'm going to show you how to go out. You have to hold the belt with the index and thumb pointing down towards your buttocks, elbows to the side. As you pull the belt to the side, you roll the spine. It has to be a quick movement in order to create like a slingshot feeling. Then grab the belt again and come out of a pose. I'm going to show you now how to bring someone safely in and exit the pose. So, Julia, please, behind the belt, put one foot on the belt, lock the knee. Then hold the belt higher and bring the knee to the side, yes. Then bring the other foot. The belt has to be in between the knees. If the belt is outside of your leg, if you lean forward, that's suicide. Then bring one shoulder forward, grab the belt. Above better if you feel comfortable below, but there is high chance that you lean forward. Now, find your balance here, and if you can place the hands in prayer position. The first time that you invite someone to enter this pose, they are going to say no, so you invite them by standing forward and offering the arms. Once they are holding the arms, they feel the reference point of something solid and then bring them into the pose. Good. Because they enter slowly, maybe you pull the belt to the side, so it may be pinching here on the side and that hurts. Now, to go out of the belt, hold the belt wrongly first, yeah, and then try to come out very hard. Now, change the position for internal rotation, thumb and index pointing down, the elbows to the side. So you have to make sure that this is happening. The spine has to be round in order to create this slingshot. And what you do is just place the hands below the shoulders, and as she pulled, very easy. I almost didn't have to help Julia here. Practice this again with different bodies. You will see how sometimes people get stuck with a wrong position of the hands. So follow protocol and you will see how you succeed with this pose. Hope to see you in the online classes or in the adjustment section. Namaste. Thank you.